Some unique and brutal machines have been created to do the most outrageous things worldwide. From constructions to agriculture, there have been so many engines made that seem unbelievable, yet are so powerful that their very existence shakes the world to its core. So, today on Mighty Machine Masters, we will look at the most powerful equipment working at another level. Stay tuned. TC50 TC100 System Meister. The TC50 and TC100 model units are two transport crawler unit models used to move heavy loads for construction or other processes requiring such loads. It can transport these heavy loads under the most challenging conditions and through the most difficult terrains due to its center of gravity at a convenient point. Two of these monsters can transport up to 50 tons from one point to another. According to its design, there are various operating modes in which this machine can be used. It all depends on the operator's needs. HT912 Red Roo. For trenching work to be done more efficiently, Red Roo created the HT912, which is a new machine on their machine line. Being a self-propelled machine, the HT912 trencher is a fully hydraulic compact trencher that uses irrigation sprinklers, wires, electric cables, and sewage lines in the installation process. The machine has a 9-horsepower Honda OHV engine for its internal components, a swivel system that prevents dirt from getting into the pivot hub, and a monitoring system that stops the chain automatically. The Jumbo Master by Vandaele. The Jumbo Master is a mowing and suction machine with a capacity of 25 to 30 meters cube. It comprises a 216-inch mowing arm attached at the front and a double-quantity hydraulic safety feature, enabling it to perform its mowing operation on fields and grasses. There are also halogen lights, gradient lights, and a camera at the rear for extra safety during operations. After mowing the grass, they're sucked up by a powerful fan resembling a giant vacuum cleaner to make the entire process a neat one. TV1000 Overaasen. The next machine on our list is the snow clearing niche. TV1000 by Overaasen functions in airports to help clear the runway of snow after a heavy snowfall season. Such a season can cause snowfall, making it impossible for aircraft to move and gain momentum before takeoff, hence the need for such a machine. It is a Norwegian machine that is the world's largest snowplow and is capable of removing 12,000 tons of snow per hour at a distance of 35 to 54 yards after the runway. It is a good choice because it does this quickly and is considered economically suitable for establishments looking to save costs. Smartroc T25 R. Smart technology is taking the world by storm with new daily developments. One such is the T25 R made by Smartroc to help take construction works to a new level. No more extra work hours for operators expected to get to work early and leave work late. This machine does all the necessary hard work with little or nothing left for the operators to do at the end of the day. It can be used on surfaces that may seem tough and impenetrable, making them like paper when met with a steel drill. There's nothing it won't cut through. Flatcat Equipment Trailer. This machine is designed to change how loading and unloading are done by trailers. It uses elevation and depression principles to carry out its activities precisely, including equipment with either weak or no traction equipment that finds it hard to climb over elevated ramps or decks. All types of equipment like roller compactors, scissor elevators, pallet jacks, and the like can be transported due to its hinged platform that uses the principles of elevation and depression. With this, low-profile vehicles like a Mustang and a Hellcat are the most suitable for loading and unloading with this equipment. It just makes the job so easy. If you're still with us on this exhilarating journey through the most beautiful machines, hit the subscribe button. The Conver C91. Another machine used for cleaning operations, the Conver C91, is a dredger utilized on canals and small waterways. It has been equipped with a CW10 coupling system to attach various tools like a grapple, a dredging bump, a mowing bucket, and a chain mower. With outriggers in the front and one in the rear, this monster packs a mass range and length ranging from 157 to 230 inches. The operation is possible due to its double auger driving force with an anti-twist auger that is hydraulically foldable. The TP470 Vario. Recently, the engineering company AB presented the TP470 Vario, a driving machine that can be infinitely driven. This powerful machine has a VM turbo engine with an output power of 136 horsepower. This new model was developed from the flagship VT450 model, but with strategic changes to its structure. According to its management, during the unveiling of this vehicle, they assured customers of 20% more power and 5% more payload than the VT450 model. With its new structural design, this machine can pull off any agricultural task it's been designed for at any time of the year without breaking a sweat. Interdrain 4045T. Interdrain, a leading hand in construction machines, made the 4045T series chain trencher. This powerful and efficient machine is so mighty when put into action, handling unimaginable tasks in trench digging unlike ever seen. Some of these tasks can be laying a 15-inch Clark Farm drainage. Its standout point is performing this task so quickly as it digs through the earth like a hot knife through butter, making the entire process easy and fast. It is unlike any of its other counterparts on the market as it possesses advanced features like GPS auto-grading, giving it an advantage during operation. It's truly a marvel to behold. K-Tec scraper / Rokbak tractor combo. K-Tec is a mechanical design company that presented a new design for a new scraper model, transporting gigantic equipment by road without disassembling it or requesting special permission. When this scraper is mounted on the 38-ton Rokbak tractor, there is no limit to the landscapes that can be covered. With this version of the scraper from K-Tec, there is better fuel economy and lower emissions to the atmosphere, making it an eco-friendly machine. There is also increased safety, and it is very durable and able to last through the harshest weather and most challenging conditions. TII Scheuerle. The TII Scheuerle is a huge machine transporting enormous propeller blades. This is done in combination with a trailer unit. This system comprises two axle jeep wagons and a wheel unit that work together to lift gigantic loads across the ground. Genesis GXT Mobile Shear. This is a new generation machine designed to make scrap processing more efficient. It is mounted on smaller carriers, thus reducing expenses and energy expenses. This model is shorter, higher, and lighter in weight compared to previous models of shears. With its center of gravity closer to the excavator, this powerful shear can easily be carried and could go through tons of scrap metals per hour, chopping them up like a crab. It certainly changes the entirety of scrap processing. Hadrian X. This is a robot that builds brick structures. It comprises a large telescopic robotic boom placed on a truck weighing 25 tons. It has a separate frame with electrical equipment and a van holding the control system for the entire machine. Before the work commences, the machine reviews the AutoCAD drawings and arranges where each brick will go during the building process. After stacking the bricks one after the other, the scraps, which can be reused, are then gathered and stored. Such methods make this machine eco-friendly as waste is significantly reduced. With this, your dream house can become a reality in weeks. Amazing, right? During the testing phase, this machine laid 150 bricks per hour on average with a max rate of 200 per hour. So, according to this calculation, this machine can lay more than 1,000 bricks per day. Avant mini loader and attachable log splitter. When axes fail, this guy comes in to finish the work effortlessly. The Avant mini loader with an attachable log splitter processes logs efficiently, cutting them into usable chunks that can be used for firewood during a cold winter night. This machine's splitting force is 7.6 tons, the maximum length of the chopped log is 26 inches, and the diameter is 12 inches. The machine comprises a 4-way splitting wedge which can split the wood in 2 or 4 depending on the operator's requirements. There's also a 6-way wedge with a hydraulic height adjustments to accommodate the log to be sheared. It's like the Grim Reaper of machines when it does this task so effortlessly. Sennebogen 718E. Have you ever seen a tree being cared for or groomed? If not, then this next machine is one you should behold. The Sennebogen 718E is a compact machine that rids trees of their leaves and branches, exposing only the log, which can then be transported for other desired uses. They pick and cut at a height of 13 meters and can be easily operated. There are so many applications in which this machine can function, for instance, in buildings. What makes it stand out is how it rips these trees like Superman does disguise mid-transformation. It only leaves you in awe at the sight of it all. Karcher MC 130. A clean environment can be a stepping stone for any society's development, and this is a fact that can't be denied. When this machine, the Karcher MC 130, was built, close attention was paid to its cleaning performance, and the tests passed show how much effort was put into achieving such a feat. This is mainly attributed to its efficient engine and eco-efficiency mode in which the speed, sweeping system, and hydraulic performance are combined. Doing all these brings the optimized road sweeper that satisfies clean roads and hearts. The M38 Trackway panel. This versatile machine is used to construct access roads, temporary roads, and beach areas. A mobility system ensures vehicles remain mobile and access grounds are laid to stabilize the soil when the pressure is low. It works with front-end loaders and can create access roads in multiple operations. These access roads can be for a military mission, an IDP camp, and the like, which are all temporary. The TG7000 Hopper Shredder. This monster machine combines the latest technology to perform large-scale land clearing. It also recycles organic wood materials, which may be considered waste. Its Vermeer duplex drum minimizes maintenance work with the added advantage of the 10 hammers and 20 dual bolt cutting heads that make up this equipment. Mounted on the gripper loader is an optional cab with a one-person operation to utilize this equipment. Thus, it reduces the cost of labor and increases the level of productivity on the site. Hout Killer 1270 Grubbing Shears. Have you ever wondered how wood gets sheared without an axe? Here's your answer. The Hout Killer 1270 Grubbing Shears is a machine that removes and processes large stumps into biomass. It doesn't only hold for large stumps but small and medium-sized ones as well. It can be mounted on any machine that allows for such manipulation. When these stumps are shed, the volume of the material to be transported is significantly reduced. This machine has the advantage of low operation cost and wear and tear, making it last longer. This is all thanks to its construction in high-quality steel. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to see more videos from us. Until next time.